Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Budget app. First, you'll want to create your account and link your financial institutions. This secure process usually takes less than 5 minutes. Once connected, the app automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear overview of your spending. You can then set up your personalized financial goals, whether it's saving for a big purchase or paying off a loan. It's designed to make managing your money straightforward and efficient. Tracking your money is simple with the app. All your income and expenses are automatically categorized, providing a clear picture of where your money goes. If a transaction is miscategorized, you can easily adjust it with just a few taps. You can also split a single transaction into multiple categories for more detailed tracking. This feature helps you stay on top of your spending and ensures your budget reflects your actual financial habits. Setting up your budgets is a core feature. You can create specific spending limits for different categories, such as groceries, transportation, or entertainment. The app provides helpful alerts when you're nearing or have exceeded your budget in any category, helping you make informed spending decisions. Plus, life happens, so you can effortlessly adjust your budget amounts at any time to reflect new priorities or unexpected expenses, keeping your financial plan flexible. Finally, the app empowers you to achieve your financial goals. You can visualize your progress towards savings targets, like a down payment or a vacation, with clear, easy-to-understand charts. The app helps identify potential areas where you can save more, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. You can also generate comprehensive reports to review your financial health over weeks, months, or even years, providing valuable insights into your money management.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.